Hello, welcome to the class, my dear students. Yes, how are you? All of you? All are fine? Yes, okay. Today we will start the chapter areas related to circles. So already you learned about these circles. Yes, in the last class, means last session, you learned about the circles. What do you mean by circles? And the concepts related to the circle. And second, what is tangent? And also you learned about the theorems related to circle, right? So today, in this class, we are going to ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಹಾಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಸೊ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಅವರ್ ಮೆಮರಿ. ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ನಾವು ನಿನ್ನೆನೆ ಕಲ್ತಿದೀವಿ that what do you mean by circles and the terms related to circles. Okay, so that we know, just once we will refresh. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೆಮರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೆಲಸ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ರಿಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅದನ್ನ. Yes, first comes topic name is areas related to circle. Then what do you mean by circle? Yes, my dear children, what do you mean by circle? Circle ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? It is the locus of a point equidistant from the center point. What do you mean by center point? See, circle ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Yes, one second. Yes, circle means what? The locus of a point is equidistant from a center point. That means it is the collection of a points from a fixed point. See, this is a fixed point. Okay, so this is a fixed point I am considering. The collection of a points from a fixed point, we call it as a circle, right? So ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ collection of a points ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಆ collection of points ಯಾವ ತರಹ ಇದೆ? Equidistant. The collection of a points from a fixed point, that is of equidistant. So ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, so this is our central point. We call it as 0 or O. O is a center point. So if this is 10 centimeter, okay, and from this point, illi ಒಂದು point ಇದೆ, illi ಒಂದು point ಇದೆ. So this and this distance is also 10 centimeter. And here is also 10 centimeter. And here is also 10 centimeter. That means when you are going to define a circle, circle means what? It is the collection of all the points from a center point of equidistant. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Equidistant ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Next, so ಅದನ್ನೇ, in other words, we can say that the locus of a point is equidistant from a center point. So this is a center point. So here ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗಿದೆ? Equidistant ಆಗಿದೆ, equal distance ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So this is circle, right? Next comes parts of a circle. So this is very, very important. Parts of a circle. So in the circle, ಒಂದು circle ಅಲ್ಲಿ we are going to observe so many parts. That is, one is radius. So first comes radius. Radius means what? Yes, so radius. See, this is center of circle and this is one point on the radius. So the distance between center of the circle and the point on the circle is called radius. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇಂದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೇಲಿರುವಂತಹ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, that you call it as a radius, and radius can be denoted by small r, right? Next comes sector. What do you mean by sector? See, if I draw two radius, so this is one radius and this is another radius, and here I am getting the area between two radius. So ನನಗಿಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು area ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. So right, so here I am getting some area between two radius and one arc. So arc means what? So this part we call it as a arc, right? So illénide alla, this is arc. This part is arc. So area between two radius and arc, that we call it as a sector. Okay. Segment. Segment means what? So before going to learn about the segment, first we should know what do you mean by chord, right? So chord means what? Chord means what? So this is arc and tangent. Tangent means what? In the last class only you learned. So it is the lines which touches the circle at a fixed point or one point. So tangent andre new circle mele one point anna touch madidre, that you call it as a tangent, right? Next comes chord. Chord means what? So chord anna ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ consider this is a circle. Okay, this is a center point. So point center ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ 0.3 ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೆಂಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ in the circle and outside the circle. So if you want to join 2 points on the circle, so this is 2 points. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 points ಅನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿದೆ. ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ? So this is 1 point and this is another point. If I join these 2 points, this line we call it as a chord. ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಇದನ್ನ? chord ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, next. Circumference. So segment. Segment means what? See, this part is a segment. That is the area between one arc and the chord. So this part we call it as a segment. Okay, this is sector and this is segment. Don't get confused with the sector and segment. Segment andre alli chord baratte matte arc baratte. Sector alli this is the area between two radius and one arc. Okay, next. Circumference and diameter. Yes, circumference means what? It is the outer surface, length of the outer surface. Okay, so this part we call it as a circumference. Next, diameter means what? So diameter means what? Yes, diameter means what? The line passes through the center of the circle, that you call it as a diameter. Remember, the diameter is the longest chord in the circle. So which is the longest chord in the circle? That is diameter. So namge diameter idu chord ello irಬಹುದು. So it may be here. Okay, so for example, see, this is a one circle. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಅಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಇರಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ passes through the center of the circle, then we call it as a diameter. And diameter is always 2 times of the radius. Okay, remember. And radius is half of the diameter. Okay, this is important. Next. Parts of a circle, that is diameter. Diameter means what? A straight line segment which passes through the center of the circle and the end points touches the perimeter of the circle, that you call it as a diameter. So diameter is like this. Okay, next. So higene barbekantilla. So it may be like this also, but it should pass through the center of the circle. Radius. Radius means what? A straight line segment which joins the center of the circle to any point on the perimeter of the circle. So perimeter means outer boundary, right? So the line which joins the center of the circle to any point on the perimeter of the circle, that you call it as a radius. Okay, and it is denoted by R. Chord means what? A straight line segment which does not pass through the center of the circle and whose end points touch the perimeter of the circle, that you call it as a chord. Okay, sector. Sector means what? A portion of a circle which is defined by 2 radii and arc. So this is arc and these two are radii. Okay, radius means 1, radii means 2. Okay, tangent. Tangent means what? A straight line which just touches the outer perimeter of the circle. So here how many tangents it has? Only one tangent. So circle ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ tangent ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೌದಾ? So ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದಷ್ಟು ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, but at one point only it touches the circle, just touches the outer perimeter of the circle, that is tangent. Circumference means what? The length of the perimeter of the circle. So this we call it as a circumference. The outer part we call it as a circumference. Okay, remember. Okay, yes. Next comes perimeter and area of a circle. Yes, my dear students, perimeter and area of a circle. What do you mean by perimeter? So, ella kada keltivi now. Perimeter and area of a circle. So, perimeter means 2 pi r, right? And area of a circle is pi r square. Just a minute. Huh? Yes. Okay. So perimeter is 2 pi r and area is pi r square. The distance covered by traveling once around a circle is its perimeter, usually called its circumference. So now ಇದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? Perimeter ಅನ್ನ circumference ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. So what do you mean by circumference? The distance covered by traveling once around a circle. So consider this is a circle, this is a midpoint, center point. So the distance ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಒನ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದು ಟಚ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ path, that means outer boundary, we call it as a perimeter or circumference of the circle, right? So this is circumference. So in case of circle, it is a circumference. But in case of square, if you consider square, then here also outer boundary is the perimeter, right? So ನೀವು ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಇದನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, so outer boundary is the perimeter. Okay, and if you consider rectangle, then here also same. Outer boundary ಏನಿದೆ, that is the perimeter of that rectangle. Okay, now so perimeter means what? Outer boundary. In other words, you can say that it is the length of the boundary. In other words, it is called as length of the boundary. Okay, so boundary and the sutlu irattala, that is boundary. Now see, you also know from your earlier classes that circumference of a circle bears a constant ratio with its diameter. This constant ratio is denoted by Greek letter pi. Okay, so in order to get the perimeter, we can use the formula 2 pi r, right? So namge perimeter ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವೇನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Formula 2 pi r. So this pi is a Greek letter. Okay, so this pi is a Greek letter. Next, what do you mean by area? This is area, perimeter and area of a circle. So perimeter is 2 pi r, area of a circle. Perimeter means outer boundary. What do you mean by area? Yes, my dear students, what do you mean by area? Area andre ಹೊರಗಿನ ಭಾಗ circumference ಆದ್ರೆ inside the part, inside, so part inside the circle, this we call it as a area, right? So this we call it as a area of the circle. So this is area. Here this is area, right? So outer boundary kinta ಒಳಗಿನ ಭಾಗ. So inside the circle, inside the rectangle, so inside the square, that we call it as a area of that figure. Okay, so now this is area of the circle and this is area of the rectangle, this is area of the square. Okay, so area, in order to find out the area of a circle, we can use the formula pi r square, right? So ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾವನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? pi r square. So area is equal to pi r square. This is perimeter, right? So this is perimeter, this is area. Okay, now next concept is, what do you mean by concentric circles? Yes, concentric circles. Have you heard anywhere about the concentric circles? ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. What do you mean by concentric circles? Circles. Yes, concentric circles means what? The circles having same center but different radius. Okay, so this is same center. This is one circle and this is another circle and this is another circle and this is another circle. So we are drawing the circle by using same center, right? Illi center same ide but different radius. So here radius is different, here radius is different, here radius is different, and here radius is different. So the circles having same center and different radii. So radius, different radius. Different radius, that we call it as a concentric circles. So next comes, see, area of a circle is pi r square, right? So area of circle is pi r square. Then what is the area of semicircle? So this full circle area is pi r square. What is the area of semicircle? Yes, semicircle. Area of semicircle. Yes, how you are going to find out the area of semicircle? Yes, that is full circle area is pi r square. Semi means half, so divided by 2, right? So this is the area of semicircle. Remember. Next, area of quadrant. Next concept, area of quadrant. So remember, these all are very important. Area of quadrant. Yes. So what do you mean by quadrant? If you take one circle, okay, if you take one circle and I will divide the circle by 4 parts. This is one part. This is second part. Means here I can get 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 4 parts. This is first part. So this is first part. This is second, third, fourth. 4 parts irodrinda, we call this as a quadrant. Then area of the quadrant. How you are going to find out the area of the quadrant? See, my dear children. So area of the quadrant. Quadrant means what? It is 1/4 part of the circle, right? So this quadrant andre enide idu? This is 1/4 part of the circle. Right. So 1/4 part of the circle, that is called quadrant. Then area of the quadrant enagatte, that is pi r square divided by 4. So this is full circle area pi r square. Quadrant means 1/4 part. Therefore pi r square divided by 4. So this is about the area of quadrant. So next comes semicircular protector. Okay, semicircular protector perimeter. Okay, semicircular protector perimeter. Protector means it is perimeter only. See, this is semicircle. So, okay, this is semicircle. So, semicircle protector ಅಂದ್ರೆ semicircle circumference boundary length ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Yes, semicircular protector. Semicircular protector perimeter. Protector perimeter. Yes. That means ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸೆಮಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇನ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದ ಸೆಮಿ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಪೆರಿಮೀಟರ್? ಸಿ, miss, we know the full circumference is 2 pi r. Therefore, half circumference is 2 pi r divided by 2. ಹೌದಾ? So 2 cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, pi r. So pi r is the semicircular protector perimeter. No. See, here only ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. This is center and it has this part also. That means it has radius, diameter. So nimge e part 2 ide. So if you consider only this part, then it is 2 pi r divided by 2. That is correct. 2 will get cancelled. Only pi r remains. But it has diameter also. So namge diameter ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಇದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. So we can write it as pi r plus d. D means what? That is 2r. Diameter is 2 times of radius. So d can be written as pi r plus 2r. Right? Pi r plus 2r. So this is the semicircular protector or semicircular perimeter of the area of semicircular. So not area, it is perimeter of the semicircle. Okay. Next. So shall we solve some examples regarding this formulas? Okay, find the area of the circle whose circumference is 22 centimeters. So this is very, very basic question. So find the area of the circle whose circumference they have given and they asked us to find out the area. Right? Namge circumference gottide. So we need to find out the area of the circle. Yes, how you are going to find out the area of the circle? Solution. Yes. So find the area of the circle. Circumference they have given. That is circumference of the circle that is 22 centimeter. So area we need to find out. Therefore circumference of the circle is equal to area of the circle. Okay. Circle. So circumference is 2 pi r. Right. Area is pi r square. So pi and pi will get cancelled. And r wait, value they have given, right? So cancel ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ. Yes, circumference is 22 and area of the circle pi r square. That is, this is 2 pi r, 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 22. Okay. Now, circumference is 22. Pi value is 22. Wait. I will solve this once again. So circumference is equal to area of the circle. So circumference formula is 2 pi r. Right. Area of the circle is pi r square. So 2 pi r circumference they have given, that is 2 pi r is equal to how much? Circumference is 22, right? So 2 into 22 divided by 7. Pi value is 22 divided by 7. R we don't know. R we have to calculate is equal to 22. So R is equal to 22. Transfer this 2 to this side. It becomes divided by 2, and when you shift 22 divided by 7 to this side, 7 will go up and 22 will go down. Right? So 22 will get cancelled. Finally, you will get R is equal to 7 divided by 2. So this is the radius of the circle R. Yes. So now we are going to find out area of the circle. Area of the circle. So area of the circle is pi r square, right? So pi means 22 divided by 7 and r value is 7 divided by 2 into 7 divided by 2. 2 and 2 ones are 2 11s are 7 and 7 will get cancelled. So 11 into 7. 11 into 7 divided by 2, that is 77 divided by 2. So again, if you do the division, then you will get 2 3s are 6, 1 remains, 2 8s are 16. So 38.5 you will get. 38, 2, 3 is 6. So 38.5. 38.5 centimeter. Sorry, centimeter square it is. Okay, because this is area. Area is centimeter square, meter square. Okay, so this is area of the circle. So here circumference they have given, that is 22 centimeter. By using this circumference, we can find out the radius of the circle, that is r 7 divided by 2. By using this radius, we can find out the area of the circle, pi r square, right? Okay, this is area of the circle. Next question. If the perimeter of a semicircle protector is 108 centimeter, just now only I told semicircle protector. Find the diameter of the perimeter. Yes. So here, perimeter of the circle. So perimeter of a semicircle protector is, so protector we can denote it by P. So 108, that is perimeter of the protector, or you can write full sentence. Perimeter of the protector. Yes. Perimeter of a semicircle protector. Of a semicircle protector is 108 centimeter. Okay. Next, we know the formula that just now only I told pi r 2 pi r divided by 2 gets cancelled. So pi r plus 2r. So is equal to P. That is perimeter of a semicircle protector. Here r is there. Here also r is there. So I will take r common. Next, what remains in the bracket? Pi plus 2 is equal to P. Okay. Next, r into pi value is 22 divided by 7. If they give pi is equal to 3.17, use that value. Otherwise, the by default 22 divided by 7 plus 2 is equal to 108. Next, r into 22 divided by, take LCM. So nothing is there means 1. 7 into 1, that is 7 plus 7 2s are 14 is equal to 108. Now, r into 22 plus 14. 22 plus 14 is 36 divided by 7 is equal to 108. Now, if you transfer this 36 divided by 7 to this side, you will get r is equal to 108 into 7 divided by 36. Right? So, into 7 divided by 36. Or, ಇದನ್ನ ಹೀಗೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. R is equal to 108 divided by, so it is R into 36 divided by 7. When you transfer this term to this side, it becomes divided by, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? So divided by 36 divided by 7. So transfer this 7 to up, then 108 into 7 divided by 36 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So now 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. Next, 3 3s are 9, so 3 9s are 27. Okay, 3 1s are 3 3s are. So finally you will get r is equal to 7 into 3. That is r is equal to 21 centimeter. So this is the value of r we got. But what they asked me in the question, find the diameter of the perimeter. So diameter means what? D is equal to 2r. We know diameter is 2 times of the radius. So D is equal to 2r. So r value is 21. Therefore D is equal to 2 into 21. D is equal to 42. So this is 42 centimeter. This is diameter of the semicircle protector. Understood? Yes. So here we use the formula pi r plus 2r is equal to P. So by using this formula, we can substitute the values and finally we got r value, and by using that r value, we can find out D is equal to 2r. So D is equal to 42 centimeter. Yes. So next, find the diameter of the circles whose area is equal to the sum of the area of two circles of diameter 20 centimeter and 48 centimeter. Yes. So here, find the diameter of circle whose area is equal to the sum of the area of two circles. That means one big circle is there. So, E big circle enide alla, this big circle is equal to the sum of two circles, sum of area of two circles. See, this is two circles, A1 plus A2. Call this as A1 and this as A2. So, this is big A. So, A is A1 plus A2. Right? Understood? So, this circle area, circle whose area is equal to the sum of the area of two circles of diameter they have given. That is, D1 is equal to 20 centimeter. So, call this circle's diameter, means this diameter is D1. So, D1 and this is D2. Right? So, D1 and D2. That is 20 centimeter and 48 centimeter. So diameter is 20 centimeter and 40 centimeter. Therefore, R is D divided by 2. 20 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 tens are. Therefore, R value radius is 10 centimeter. Right. Next, here D is equal to R is equal to D divided by 2. That is 48 divided by 2. 2 2s are 2 4s are. That is R value is 24 centimeter. So this is R value here. Here R is 10 centimeter. Okay. Next, find the diameter of the circles. Okay. So here area, so big circle area ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು area sum of areas of two circles ಗೆ equal ಇದೆ. That means A is equal to A1 plus A2. Right? Areas of two circles. So ಈ big circle ಏನಿದೆ ಈ ಎರಡು areas ನ equal ಇದೆ. Therefore I can write it as A is equal to A1 plus A2. Right? So this circle area I will write it as pi r square. Okay, pi r square, and this is pi r1 square. So this circle radius is r1. So r1, this is r2. Consider this radius is r1 and this radius is r2. Then the area of the circle becomes pi r2 square. Right? So idenagatte pi r1 square agatte. This is pi r2 square agatte. Therefore pi r square is equal to pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Right? Now, pi r square is equal to, so take pi common, pi r1 square plus r2 square. Right? So, nimge pi common agi tagadre, what you will get in the bracket? R1 square plus R2 square. Right? So, R1 pi and pi will get cancelled. Therefore, R square is equal to R1 square plus R2 square. So, R square is equal to R1 value is 10 square plus R2 value is 24 square. R2 square, that is 24 square. So, 10 square is 100. 24 square, that is 576. So, 100 plus 576 is 676. This is the value of R square. But we want R. For that, put square root sign, 676. So 676 is a perfect square number. So ಯಾವ number in a square idu? R is equal to 26. Yes. Plus or minus andaga, we consider only positive value. Therefore, radius cannot be negative. We consider only positive value. Plus 26 centimeter. Yes. So this is the radius of the circle. But what they ask, find the diameter of the circle. So namge radius siktu, but what we want, that is diameter. So diameter, in order to get the diameter, D is equal to 2R. Right? So D is equal to 2 into 26. What you will get? So 52 centimeter. So D is 52. 26 into 2, you will get 52 centimeter. So this is the diameter of the circle. Yes, understood. So now we'll end madidvi. So this is one big circle and this is small circle, this is small circle. So this circle, consider radius r1 idana r2 anta tagolri. So area that is pi r1 square plus pi r2 square. Take pi common, pi and pi will get cancelled. R square is equal to r1 square plus r2 square. So r1 value is 10 centimeter here. This is r1 value and this is r2 value, remember. Okay. So this is 10 centimeter and R2 value is 24 centimeter. So 10 square, that is 100, 24 square, that is 576. So 100 plus 576 is 676. Therefore, R square is equal to 676. R is equal to plus or minus square root of 676. R is 26. So dr is 26. Therefore, d is equal to 2r. D is equal to 2 into 26. That is 52 centimeter. So this is the diameter of the circle. So next question. The radii of two circles. Again, it is same question. See, the radii of the two circles are 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of circumference of two circles. So in the last problem, we did areas equal. So ಆ ಎರಡು circles na areas equal ಇತ್ತು. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? The circles which has circumference equal to the sum of circumference of two circles. That means one big circle is there. So this big circle is equal to circumference of two circles. Yes. So this is big circle A, or you can call this as C. This C means circumference, C1 plus C2. Right. So E ಒಂದು circle na circumference ಹೇಗಿದೆ? It is equal to the sum of circumference of these two circles. So you know the circumference formula. Yes. Circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. Right. A circle is 2 pi r. Yes. So this is big circle. So I will consider this big circle as 2 pi r. And this is 2 pi r1. And this is 2 pi r2. Okay. So consider this radius is r1 and this radius is r2 and this radius is capital R. Okay. Now, so when these two circles equal ide andaga, how you are going to write? That is C is equal to C1 plus C2 antane ಬರ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. Okay. So ನಿಮ್ confuse ಆಗಲ್ಲ. C is 2 pi R. Right. And C1 is 2 pi R1 and C2 is 2 pi R2. Right. Next. So 2 pi R is equal to, here also 2 pi is there and here also 2 pi is there. So I will take 2 pi common. What remains in the bracket? R1 plus R2. So R1 plus R2. Yes. 2 pi and 2 pi will get cancelled. Yes. Okay. R is equal to R1 plus R2. Yes. So do you know the values of R1 and R2? Yes. Check the question once again. The radii of two circles, that is radii of two circles is 19 centimeter and 9 centimeter. That means R1 is 19 centimeter and R2 is 9 centimeter. Okay. Now substitute the values of R1 and R2 in this equation. That is R1 is 19 plus R2 is 9. So R is equal to 19 plus 9. Yes, that is 28 centimeter. So find the radius of the circle. That is radius of the circle. R is 28 centimeter. Okay. So final answer is radius of the circle is 28 centimeter. This is our final answer. Understood? Yes, same ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? So last problem ಅಲ್ಲಿ we discussed about the area of the circle, sum of the area of the circle. Here circumference of the circle, sum of the circumference of two circles. Yes. So next question is, the radii of two circles are 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively. Find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of two circles. Again, it is same question. Yes, so radii they have given, that is R1 is equal to 8 centimeter. So R2 is equal to 6 centimeter. So ನಿಮ್ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲರ ಹತ್ರ ಬುಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪೆನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಆಗ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. You also try. R1 is 8 centimeter and R2 is 6 centimeter. Again, it is same question. That is, so this is big circle, this is small circle, this is small circle. So find the radius of the circle having area equal to the sum of areas of two circles. So ಈ ಒಂದು circle ಏನಿದೆ, ಈ ಎರಡು circles ಅನ್ನ sum ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ? That is the area of this big circle. Consider this is radius R, this is R1, this is R2, this is capital A. So A1 plus A2. A is pi R square. A1 is pi R1 square. A2 is pi R2 square. So this is the area of the circle. So A is equal to A1 plus A2. Right? So pi R1 square, pi R square is equal to pi R1 square plus pi R2 square. Now, pi, same question. No difference illa. Pi take pi common, R1 square plus R2 square. Pi and pi will get cancelled. R square is equal to R1 square, that is 8 square plus 6 square. So R square is equal to 8 square is 64 and 6 square is 36. Therefore, R square is equal to 100. R square is equal to 100. R is equal to plus or minus square root of 100. So, R is equal to 10 centimeter. Find the radius. Okay. So, if they ask diameter, then D is equal to 2R ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? So, 2R, 2 into 10, that is 20 centimeter. Here they asked only radius. Okay. I think this question is understood to all of you. Right? Next, we'll solve next question. See, wheel of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. See, this is an important question and this question can be asked for 4 marks. The wheels of a car are of diameter. Diameter they have given, that is 80 centimeter. How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes? So full complete revolution means complete rotation ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ 10 minutes, wheel in 10 minutes ಅಲ್ಲಿ complete rotation ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಂತಂದ್ರೆ how 10 ನಿಮಿಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ರೊಟೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. When the car is traveling at a speed of 66 kilometer per hour, means speed they have given, that is 66 kilometer per hour. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes? So this is our question. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeters. So diameter they have given. Yes, so diameter of a wheels of a car is 80 centimeters. 80 centimeters. Yes. Next, circumference of the wheel. Why? Because complete revolution, we want circumference of the wheel. Complete revolution ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ complete rotation ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ circumference ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಹೌದಾ? So circumference of a wheel so circumference formula is wheel. So circumference of the wheel is 2 pi r, right? Sorry. Circumference of a wheel is 2 pi r. That is C is equal to 2 pi r. Now, diameter they have given. Yes, diameter means what? Diameter D is equal to 2R, right? So diameter D is equal to 2R. That means 2R value they have given. This can be written as 2R into pi. So 2R value we know that is 80 into pi. Yes, this is the circumference of that circle. Or you can do D is, so R antandre enu D divided by 2. So D is 80. 80 divided by 2, that is 14. Right? So 2 4s 40 baratte. So 2 pi R anta andaga 2 into pi into 40. Again, it is 2 into 40, that is 80 pi only. Right? So 80 pi is the circumference of the wheel. Then the car traveled the distance in 10 minutes. So car traveled, the car next kottidare, the car traveled distance in 10 minutes. Distance in 10 minutes. So 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour they have given, right? So per hour. Illi namage 80 centimeter anta ide. Illi per hour ide. So kilometer per hour na we have to convert it into centimeter. Kilometer ana meter nalli ಮಾಡಿ meter ana centimeter nalli ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. Next. And this 10 is in minutes. So here it is in hour. So we have to convert this in minutes. So 66. Okay, speed is 66. Kilometer per hour is there. So kilometer meter nalli convert ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ into 1000 ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, right? And ಅದನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ into 100 ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 60 ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 0 ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್. ಸೊ 6 1s 6 1s, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 11 1 2 3 4 0 you will get, right? So this is centimeter. 40 you will get. Okay, now so this is the car traveled a distance in 10 minutes we got. Now the number of revolution, how many complete revolution does each wheel make? That means number of revolutions we can we have to find out. Number of revolutions is equal to, so number of revolutions ಅನ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು number of revolutions ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಡ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ divided by circumference. Okay, so distance traveled divided by circumference, then you will get number of revolutions. Circumference. Okay, so distance traveled is, so 1,10,000 divided by circumference is 80 pi. That means divided by 80 into pi value is 22 divided by 7, right? So when you transfer the 7 to this side, it becomes, ಹೇಗಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅದು, 2 3 4 into 7 divided by 80 into 22 into 22. So 0 0 will get cancelled. Yes, when you do the calculation of these numbers, then finally you will get 437.5. 437.5. So if you want to remove this point, I need to multiply by 10. Then I will get 4,375. So this is the number of revolutions. Okay. Yes. So ನಮ್ಗೆ diameter of a car we know. Then circumference ಯಾಕೆ ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಟು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಒನ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸರ್ಕಂಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ diameter they have given, that is 2r value. Circumference is 85 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Car travel distance in 10 minutes ನೋಡಿದಾಗ the speed is 66 kilometer per hour. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಸೊ ಇಂಟು 1000 into 100 divided by 60 minutes. Then you will get this result. Number of revolutions, distance traveled divided by circumference. Then you will get the number of revolutions. Okay, so understood? Next question. Yes, this is very, very important part. Okay, areas of a sector and segment of a circle. See, the portion of a circular region enclosed by 2 radii and the corresponding arc is called a sector. That we know. The area enclosed by the arc and 2 radii of the circle. So this is 1 radii and this is another radii and this is arc, right? So this is arc, and here the area enclosed by 2 radius and this arc, we call it as a sector. Okay, and sector of the circle, and the portion of the circular region enclosed between chord and the corresponding arc is called segment. So this is difference between sector and segment. So sector alli we are going to consider 2 radius, but in case of segment we are considering 1 chord. So this is 1 chord, A and B is chord, and this A to B is a arc, right? So the area between the area enclosed between chord and the corresponding arc. So this is chord and this is arc. This part we call it as a segment. If the segment is small, then it is called as minor segment. If the segment is big, then it is called major segment. Like that, if the sector is small, means the area of the sector is small, then it is called as minor sector. Area is big, then it is called as major sector, right? So some relations to calculate their areas. Let OAPB be a sector of circle with center O and radius R. Okay, see, this is the circle OAPB. Okay, this is the sector with center O and radius R. So this is radius R. The angle of the center is 360 degree. So full circle area the angle eshtirutte, 360 degree irutte. So then the area of the sector is pi r square. So full circle anna consider madidre area of the circle is pi r square. So if the center is 1, if center is 1 means angle is 1, then area of the sector is pi r square divided by 360. This is the total area of the circle and this is the angle, total angle of the circle, right? So therefore, when the degree measures of the angle at the center is theta. So if it is 1, so this may ask for one more question. If the degree is or angle is 1, then the area of the sector is pi r square divided by 360 degree. If the angle is theta, then theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Then area of the sector is theta, because theta ide namge angle ಒಂದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಅವಾಗ you are using theta. Theta divided by 360 into pi r square, right? Therefore, when the degree measures of the angle at the center is theta, the area of the sector of angle theta is theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So this is very, very important. Theta, so angle theta, area of the sector of angle theta is equal to, that means you know the value of theta. Theta is some angle. Theta is a Greek letter, right? So theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Why you are using pi r square? This is area of the circle, right? So you are you are going to find out here area of the sector. Therefore, you are using pi r square. Length of the arc of sector, length of the arc of a sector of angle theta means you are going to find out the length. Then length of the arc enadru find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you are going to use 2 pi r. So this is circumference of the circle. So 2 pi r. Area idre pi r square, length idre or circumference or perimeter is there idre 2 pi r. Then area of the segment APB. So this is segment. Okay. ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, area of OAPB sector. So this full sector minus area of triangle OAB. So if you want to find out the area of this segment, so avag ನೀವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Area of OAPB. OAPB means the area of full sector minus area of triangle OAB. Right? Area of triangle OAB. Then you will get area of segment APB, right? So area of OAQB major sector is means major. If you want to find out the major sector, then you can find out pi r square. Pi r square means what? It is the area of full circle, right? So we want to find out the area of major sector, then pi r square minus area of minor sector. Then you can get the area of OAQB major sector. Area of AQB, right? So AQB ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ major segment, then pi r square minus area of APB minor segment. Area of APB minor segment. Okay, so full circle pi r square minus area of minor segment APB. Then you will find out area of segment APB ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So area of OAQB ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. Area of AQB ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. So remember these three areas. Okay, so in multiple choice questions they may ask about the sector, about the segment, okay, and major segment, minor segment, major sector, minor segment, minor sector, and formulas related to these sectors. Okay, now find the area of the sector of circle with radius 4 centimeter and angle is 30 degree. Okay. And also find the area of the corresponding major sector. Yes, my dear students, here area of the sector of radius 4 centimeter means area they have radius they have given and angle is 30 degree. Also find the area of the corresponding major sector. Yes. So how you are going to find out the area of the sector? See here radius they have given. That is radius R is equal to 4 centimeter and angle theta that is 30 degree. Okay. Yes. So this is circle and this is 2 radius and this is angle theta. So radius is 4 centimeter they have given with centimeter. Yes. Okay. So 4 centimeter they have given, angle theta is 30 degrees. So we have to find out the area of the corresponding major sector. We have to find out. Use pi is equal to 3.142. Pi value is 3.14. Now, area of the sector, we know the formula. Area of the sector, that is theta divided by 360 degree into pi r square, right? So theta is 30 degree divided by 360 degree into pi value is 22 divided by 7 and r value they have given, that is 4 into 4, right? Now 0 0 will get cancelled, 3 1s are 3 2s are, right? Next 11 2 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2 1s are, 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 2s are, right? So 3 2. Yes, ಮತ್ತೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. So 1 into 11 11 11 into 2 that is 22, 22 into 4 that is 88, right? So 88 divided by 3 into 7 that is 21. 7 3s are 21. So 88 divided by 21 you will get. So ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ? 88 divided by 21 that is 4.19 centimeter square. This is area of the corresponding major sector, right? So yes, so in today's class we discussed about the sector, segment, area of the sector, and area of the segment innu madila, area of the sector, and we discussed some problems related to area and circumference of the circle. Yes, shall we stop today's session? Yes, tomorrow let us continue with the next part. Okay, thank you so much. Yes, all the best, my dear students. Study well. Okay.